We are doing exercise 7D, and in this video I'm answering question 2b. So let's look at it. It says, find a sequence of transformations that takes the graph of y equals 3x plus 2 squared plus 5 to the graph y equals x squared. So whenever we're doing these questions, I always like to write out first that I know I have a point xy. I then am applying some transformations and arriving at a new point, x dash, y dash. And what this question is asking us is to find the sequence of transformations. So we're really just trying to find what my x dash and y dash are. That's what we're trying to do. Now we know that my xy point, this, is going to exist on this. So this is where 99% of you will make the mistake. And that is the fact that we're going from this to there. So we're trying to figure out transformations which take me from this to there. So I'm going to have y equals 3x plus 2 squared plus 5. I then am applying a transformation in order to get to y equals x squared. So that means that my newly transformed point, my x dash y dash, is going to exist on this graph here. So I'm going to put those in, and I'm calling that my first step. My first step is putting in x dash and y dash into my newly transformed graph, which we know is this. Okay, my next step, step number 2, is all about rearranging. So now I'm going to take this and rearrange it. So I'm going to minus 5 from both sides, and I'm going to get this. 3x plus 2 squared. Once I've done that, we come to our third step. Whoops. And in my third step, I'm going to let this equal this. And I'm going to have this equal this. So y minus 5 is going to equal y dash, and 3x plus 2 is going to equal x dash. So I get my pen, and I write y dash equals y minus 5. And x dash equals 3x plus 2. Now, if you remember at the start of this video, I said that the aim of the game was trying to figure out what x dash and y dash are. And as you can see here, I already have them. My y dash equals this and my x dash equals that. I've done it. No rearrangement is needed here. So I could say, starting at xy, I then am going to apply some transformations, and I know that my x dash is going to be 3x plus 2, and my y dash is going to be y minus 5. And that's simply how you answer it. Hopefully this was helpful in answering question 2b from exercise 7D.